All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Uh Hope everybody had a great day today. A lot of volatility in the markets. Let me get rid of this crap here. This here. All right. All right, let's see where we're at, gang. Let's dive into the charts right away. Let's go into the weekly right away. Weekly time frame on gold. Let's do our markups here right quick and see where we're at and where we're headed. So it looks like we're pumping up. We already took out the highs here. All right, so yeah, so we're in that range there. I just want to get a nice visual of that. So yeah, so we're definitely trending. We definitely broke the previous weekly highs. So I expect a push. This thing might come up to the all-time high here. Yeah, it could run up these 300 pips right here. All right, so that's pretty noticeable here. You know, once we rejected here and got that weekly closure, I would have thought we would have come down and tapped the range, but completely flipped the other way, and that's it. So now tomorrow's the last day of the week. We got about 20 hours. So this candle closes tomorrow. If this candle closes above, it confirms that breakout, you know, and let's say it takes out the highs here. We should expect further push to the upside. But let's see. Let's see. All right, going to the daily. Let's take a look at the daily. All right, so yeah, previous daily closed doji, bearish. But we do have a resistance and a support level right here. This is where we're at in the daily right at the moment. So 2363, that bottom there. But yeah, we opened up here, made a bit of a bottom wick here, but now we're pushing up. So it's possible we might, you know, the daily highs are 2462.69. So, you know, let's see if we're gonna push up and re-break the highs. If we re-break the highs, we might come up to about 2470. Maybe even grab the wick, 24.8, make the all-time high here. Maybe break the all-time high and then reverse back down. That's possible too. But let's go down to the 4-hour. And we have a 4-hour closure coming up now. So I want to focus on the 4-hour here for a little bit, just to get those immediate levels. So that's the level here, and this one here. Oops, mark it there. All right, so yeah, we're ranging in here right now, and yeah, so we got this bottom wick. Now it's flipping up. Candle closes in about 24 minutes. If we get a closure above this level here, yeah, we could see a nice move to the upside. But yeah, let's see. We might get a closure above, or is this level going to respect here? If we break out, well, again, we'll probably come up to this previous wick high here. Yeah, let's give this candle time to close out here, 23 minutes, but this is where we're at. In the meantime, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, remember this breakout from yesterday? It started rallying up. I told you I thought it was gonna fill this gap here, but this candle had no bottom wick. This one came down, this one started flipping up, but man, came right back into this range here and came all the way down to the bottom of the range. So I don't know, is it gonna reject and push back up, or is it gonna break below and continue down? But yeah, it's been bearish. Yeah, NASDAQ definitely shows signs of strength here, but completely collapsed after. So still have this gap to fill here on NASDAQ, and it looks even nicer from catching it from down here. But you know, I wanna see if we get a bullish closure right around the support level similar to this here, and then maybe catch the rally back up, but hasn't done so yet here. But for now, let's keep an eye on gold here, because we might have a move here. What I would like is if let's say we get a bullish closure here, especially if we break above, we have our top wick, got this bottom wick here. I would prefer to see a bottom wick on the new 4-hour candle, and then we'll have buy stops at the break of the highs, and we can ride it up. Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin, wow, we had this breakout, but look at that, just flipped right back up and broke structure. Yeah, so Bitcoin looked like my rally up. This is the structure we broke here. Formed a new support down here. So yeah, I mean, came down, made that support level here with a few candles here, and then just ripped right up. Now it broke out. Now it's coming down to retest, and then it can bounce off of this level and continue to go up. I just want to see how this 4 hour is going to close. Very important to see this 4 hour closure here. So let's hang tight, gang. We got 19 minutes left. we have to be careful here. Even though this 4 hour is closing bullish, if it closes respecting this resistance, we might see a top wick first and then the flip. We break the previous lows and it can come down and retest down here. If that's the case, depending how fast it happens during the session with the volume, if we do come back down here to test this level, I'll look to take buys down here at the support level. We've been definitely respecting it. If you look at the 1 hour, I mean, look at that. Came here, came down again, push up. So yeah, it's rejected several times from this low here. But if we get that bottom wick first and then we flip, yeah, we're getting in. Yeah, once this candle closes, again, if it's bullish, if we get a bottom wick first, I'll have a buy stop at the break of the highs here. But if we come up and break the highs first, then we'll let it go. Even if it comes and grabs this wick, we're gonna have to let it go because I'm not taking any buys without a bottom wick first. If it makes that top wick, it might come grab this wick here and then flip back down. So that's possible, but we're gonna need a bottom wick at candle open. Looking good though. Patience, gang, patience. Just waiting for this candle to close here in 7 minutes. We need this closure, and then some volume will definitely kick in, and then we'll look to see how the candles start to print, especially on the lower time frames. This 15 has no bottom wick. Tomorrow we have NFP tomorrow, gang. It's expected to come in lower. Yeah, lower. It comes in lower like that, gold is gonna fly up. Unemployment rate expected to come in unchanged. Excuse me. Yeah, if those numbers come in red, gold is gonna push up. That's bad for the dollar. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close below here. Oh, we're closing bullish. So yeah, either way, I'll probably have an entry here. See, the daily candle opened up and immediately made this top wick, right? Then comes down, closed down, makes a bottom wick, and now it's starting to reflip bullish after it came down and went bearish. Even though the previous daily is bearish, there's a very strong bullish momentum here. So we closed doji here, but we made this bottom wick, and now we come back up and re-break the highs. This high here would be that 4-hour high, then we should be gone. So yeah, it's kind of the same play from yesterday, breaking the daily highs. Well, in this case, we're breaking the current daily highs. We come back up after flipping here, making this bottom wick. If it starts to pump up, we should be good to go. We got 3 minutes. I still want to wait, see if there's a breakout here. But for me to take that position, I'll have the buy stops ready. If we make a bottom wick first, if we rip up and take out the highs with no bottom wick, then I'll stay out, gang. Even if it drives, we'll let it go. I'll let it go. You guys take that entry. You do that at your own risk. But I wouldn't trade it like that. I would trade it if we get a bottom wick. Yeah, that entry will be what, 2452.60. Yeah, that TP will be up here, 2462. Grab that wick. Very interesting play here. Stops would be at the break of the lows here, so I'll say 24.43. But I'm waiting for a candle closure. Nothing happening yet. As soon as the new candle opens, if it opens up and we come down for bottom wick first, yeah, on the flip, I'm taking the buys up here. If I do take the buys, chat, if you're tuning in, my entry is going to be 2452.60. 2452.60 will be our entry here on the buy stop. All right, so there's about 50 seconds left. Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here. Well, actually, wait. Let's wait for. I want to see if we're gonna get a pullback first, but just be aware that that's gonna be our entry there. $18 seconds, chat. Ye ready? All right, yeah. There we go, gang. All right, so my buy stop is set there. 2452.60. That'll be my entry, gang. So we see how we pop down first. That's perfect. Now, if we come down, make this bottom wick, if we reflip, we break the highs, not only the previous 4-hour highs, but that's also the current daily highs as well. I am targeting the wick up here, 100 pips up here. And my stops are below the previous 4-hour lows. I just say let it run. Let it run here. Stay patient, gang. If we re-break the highs here, we should push up. And we'll manage risk. But if we don't get activated, we're good to go. And that is that's about, let me make it an even 100 pips. So CP 600 as well. And the stop loss is going to be 42. Okay. That's our trade there again. They're not activated yet. Wing break below. If we do come up, take out the highs, yeah, that's when we'll get activated. But if it drives the other way, it's all good. We'll look for entries at this support level. If this thing is gonna respect this resistance here and get pushed back down, it's okay. have to keep in mind that it's tapping right into this resistance here. So we need it to break out. See how it's getting rejected? If it doesn't break, it's gonna get pushed back down, and that's it. Excuse me. If we re-break the lows here, then I'll probably delete the buy stops for now. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, we need that bullish push. We need the volume to come in now, and the volume is gonna push us up. I really think we're gonna run up here. We had these two bullish closures. If you look at the daily, is bullish here as well after making this bottom wick flip bullish. So yeah, what we got to do is let it come back up and re-break its own high, and we should be in business. All right, it's pushing up here, gang. It's trying to break that resistance level there. Trying to see if we're gonna get activated. Ooh. It's possible it might want to come make a steeper bottom wick and then flip. And it's early. This candle's only 8 minutes old, so we'll give it time. So we have this 30 minute. in my hand. So the support level it might come down here and tap 24.44 or flipping up. It's possible. This thing feels bearish, man. This will still be that bottom wick, but let's see, what's the 1 hour here? This could still be a bottom wick. It's a flip, but I guess we will have to wait for a closure here either way. Oh, all the way down, look at that. Yeah, gang, I'm gonna delete these buy stops here. I might look for an entry down here. Let's see. They formed this support here. Let's move off the 1 out. This is an entry. 24, 38.3. I'm gonna have a buy limit order right here. Stops below this here. I probably have them. It's like 40 pips. Stop those, and then target would be the top of the range here. Let's see, but looks like we're rejecting again from here. This thing might push up. delete this as well. I'm gonna just let this print here real quick. 'Cause I feel like this was the bottom wick on that 4 hour. This is where it gets interesting. If it reflips bullish, then it gets real interesting here. But I want to see if I can get a wick entry. Yeah, someone rejected from this support area here. Pushing up. So now we close below this 15-minute. Well, it's pushing up now. All right, that's a good thing. a big rejection here. Once it came down, made this bottom wick, came down into this range here, and getting pushed up here. This, you know, we can anticipate that, especially if we close above this support level, that eventually we're gonna flip bearish, bullish. It's possible. Let's see. I want a top wick here on the 15-minute candle. This 5-minute bottom wick. I'm gonna close in 25 seconds. If we get a top wick here, I might look to take a position from down here. I'm gonna need a top wick here. No, again, doesn't look like one top wick. There goes. All right, go back a little more. See, 2 seconds. 1. All right. Yeah, it gave us a top break. All right, I got in here, gang. Right to the top of the range here. Stop. Oops. So this is right in right here. There's my entry. 24347. 2443. All right. I got in that. Right. And my take profit is going to be the top of the range here, the top of the 1 hour range. All right, so yeah, gang, that's where we're at here. I'm gonna try to grab these 70 pips here. I think we can go further up. What's that 4 hour high? Yeah, I'm banking on the 4 hour flip. Yeah. Keep an eye on this here for now. And stop it below this wick here. What happened to my? Oh, there goes. Goodness. Now we wait. All right, we're in, gang. That's it. That's our trade. Now we just wait for the continuation to the upside here. I'll keep this on the 1 hour here. Looking on 30. Excuse me. I'm still targeting the highs up here, the daily highs. Yeah, stop loss is below the current 1 hour low, just below the wick of the 1 hour low. There's a peak down here and then got rejected. Hopefully we'll remain above this support level here and continue to flip back up. And again, this could be the 4 hour bottom wick, and then the 4 hour reflips. Again, re-breaks the highs, but we took an entry down here instead of at the break of the highs here. Since it drove down and got rejected from down here, we took a lower entry. So now we wait. We let it play out, and that's it. We'll get some volume. It's 9:30. We'll probably get a little kick in volume in a little bit. this rejection here, I feel like we shouldn't come back and re-break this low here. But again, I could be wrong, right? But normally after making that strong impulsive move, again, looking at it off the 4-hour, fresh 4-hour candle, it'll come down. Sometimes these bottom wicks, in a case like this, a previous candle closing bullish, the next candle might come and make a steep bottom wick before it reflips bullish. But this candle still, it's only 39 minutes old. Plenty of time for this thing to reflip. It has well over 3 hours. So, you know, we might have to be patient with this one. It's not the last couple of nights. It's been quick trades. You know, we get in a couple of minutes. We're in solid profits. Yesterday we ran 75 pips in a matter of like 20 minutes. But tonight, looks like we might be here for a while if this thing doesn't flip soon enough. But we're currently down 20 pips, so not big drawdown. We can deal with it. Pushing up here. 15 made its bottom wick. Flipping. 30-minute bottom wick. Flipping bullish here. All right. There we go, guys. All right, we're in the blue. We're running 10 pips right now. All right. We want to start pushing up. Come on, go push up. Or this all right, so I'm gonna mark this area here, only because there's potential rejections right around that level there. If we push up there, that's why I'm taking partials and let's see. Excuse me. Yeah, we're running 20 pips now. All right, so we're up 20 pips. Still want to hold on to this. I feel like we can run up some more. Yeah, this 30 minutes closing in about 12, 13 minutes. 15-minute close bullish. Broke the previous 15-minute highs here. Yeah, we should expect maybe a bit of a bottom wick here and then the flip. Yeah, we should continue to drive here. I don't see why not, but let's wait and see. We usually see a little bit of a run up with these wick rejections here. We got this wick rejection down here. Look at this long wick. And then we got this push up. Even on this wick here, we got this bottom wick. Next candle just kind of ripped up. So once we came down, made this steep bottom wick. Now we're reflipping here. Hopefully we can drive up here. Let's see. Keeping on the 30-minute candle for now. I'm still in this trade, gang. I'm still holding. We're still running in profit here. Yeah, there we go. Trying to push up again. Excuse me. Yeah, we tapped this level here that I marked up here. That's why I'm planning to take partials. But once we re-break this high, we'll be about 21 pips. I'm looking to go break even just in case, because you never know with these trades. But maybe a little bit higher, so maybe 30 pips. But let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see if we get some volume here. Got 6 minutes to the 1 hour closure, 6 minutes or 5 minutes to the 1 hour and 30-minute closures. 1 hour completely pushing up. Don't think it's gonna flip bullish completely in the next 5 minutes, but definitely got a beautiful rejection here. So, I'm expecting a continuation to the upside. Running 13 pips now, 14. You have to have patience with these trades, gang. You gotta have patience. You gotta let the candles print. There's a lot of options we have as far as rigs. For example, what I'm gonna do is once this candle closes, I'm gonna see where it heads to in the next couple of minutes. But what I'm gonna do is, instead of having the stops below this 30-minute low, I'll move it up, shorten our risk by 50 pips and move it under the previous. Once the new candle opens, then we'll put it under this 30 low here, and we'll cut our risk a little bit. You see it's pumping up here. All right, we're up 25 pips, gang. Okay, where's that? All right, so we just delete this. Yeah, I took my partials here at 26 pips. Yeah, 25. Yeah, 25 and some change. All right, so yeah, I took partials here. Gang, I'm moving my stops to break even. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, close at 25 pips there. And I move my stops to break even, gang. So if you're in this trade, I went break even here. I think we peaked here at, what did we peak at? 2446.30. Yeah, so about 25 pips. I still have a runner. I have my runner going here, risk free. Took partials at 25 pips, gang. So W on this trade as well. Exercising patience. We had our buy stop set up at the break of the highs here, but this candle rejected right from that resistance level and drove all the way down here, almost retesting this support to the T down here. But when it started reflipping here, we took an entry off the 15-minute. Once this came down, made a bottom wick. When it closed out, this candle came down, made a bottom wick. When it came back up and rebroke the previous 15-minute highs, we got in, and now we're in this trade, gang. So we took this off the 15-minute break of the highs here, and yeah, that's where we at. Gold is still pushing up. Gold's still pushing up. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, we're running 30 pips. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Beautiful trade, gang. Beautiful trade. What are we running now here? At 24. Yeah, we're running 42 pips here. All right. Risk free, holding that runner, gang. This thing run here. Yeah, sometimes you have to let these things form. You have to look at price action. Like I said, a lot of times we make this strong move at the candle open 9 o'clock, and then we got this massive pushback. Then this candle comes and makes a bottom wick first, closes bullish. I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm talking about the 15. Make this bottom wick, closes bullish. The next candle comes down first, right? We come down, make a bottom wick first, and Again, we had this somewhat of a support level. You see how it rejected right to the T there. On the break of the previous 15-minute highs, we take our entry. And now we should run up. We should tap this level, 2450.5. We should tap that level tonight. And we'll see, you know, again, we can hold those runners. We're risk-free at this point. We already secured 25 pips. So yeah, it's house money right now, gang. House money. So let's hold it. Yeah, we're running over 50 pips right now. Beautiful trade, gang. Beautiful trade. Yeah, we keep winning, gang. This is like I think the 4th stream in a row we take a win here. 3rd or 4th win in a row tonight for Asia. But gang, if you haven't secured any profits, secure your profits. I mean, this thing could easily reverse here. Again, I closed partials at 25 pips. I'm personally holding my runner at the moment. I'm trying to see if we can not so much come up to this level, but maybe around this support. I'm sorry, resist. Ooh, look at that push. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful push. Yeah, we're running. Wow, we're running 60, 70 pips. Yeah, 70 pip runner. All right. Yeah. All right, there we go. Boom. All right, gang. I closed right at that peak right there. Yep. Yeah, 70 pips. I closed my 50% of my runner. Yeah, gang. Still holding a small runner, but I closed another half of my runner there. And we are pumping, gang. There we go. Sorry, and I said 70 pips earlier. I meant 60 pips. 60 pips I meant to say. But yeah. But you see how we're tapping into this? We got this peak. If we rip through this here, let's say if we re-break these 30 highs here, what's the one? Yeah, you see how we got a bottom wick here after getting the massive rejection here. Just look at the price action, gang. I mean, look at this candle on the 1 hour. Look at how we came down, broke these lows here, came down and grabbed all this liquidity here, and then just reflipped, nearly flipping the candle bullish. Now we come make a small bottom wick, but now we're pushing up. But the key here, especially off the 1 hour, if we re-break the previous 1 hour highs, if we can come up here, we're gonna drive further up. But yeah, so I'm still holding a small runner. Now we're definitely 70 pips up, so we're running 70 pips on this trade, gang. We're risk-free here. If you haven't secured some partials, man, go ahead and secure some partials, gang. All right, make sure you do that. At the very least, at the bare minimum, you know, your stop should be break even. Eliminate risk on this trade. You know, take the risk off the table, gang. If we retap this level, I'm closing full here. It's getting late, and or if I'll do this, we'll stay on this stream, right? If this candle either taps here first, or if it reflips bearish, once it goes bearish, I'm closing. I'm not gonna wait for stops to break even. I'll secure my profits there, take what the market gives me, and call it a night. Yeah, because we came up and we didn't really tap. We missed the level here, but we're coming into that level. I wanna break 1 hour highs and have this thing just drive. I feel like it's gonna drive. Even if it comes down again, I feel like tonight, it'll make that move to the upside. It's kind of in this range, so I think it's gonna break out. But your guess is as good as mine. But price action is telling me that gold wants to move up. We're ranging here, but we got NFP tomorrow morning during New York session, 8:30 Eastern time, and yeah. Again, the expectation, right? If you look at NFP, we're expecting lower numbers. That number comes in lower than the previous report. That should be bullish for gold. So the UR 4.1, if it comes in higher as well, higher than 4.1, that's also bullish for gold. This is gonna flip. Yeah. If this candle, this 1 hour candle, after making this wick here, if it doesn't break through, excuse me, if it comes back to re-break its own low or just flips bearish, once it flips red, I'll just close. I won't even wait for the break even. I'll secure my profits. If this candle flips bearish, it's more likely going to continue to drive down. Let's see if it holds and we can push up. It might form like a support right here if it closes bullish. If it closes bullish or remains bullish, sorry about that, gang. Wrong line. Yeah, it will form like this support right here. See how it was coming down, almost flipped bearish, but now it's kind of trying to push up. So, yeah, if it comes back down and re-breaks its own low, more likely than not, it's going to come back down. I'll be closing my positions right there. If we flip bearish on this candle. There we go. Now we're pushing right back up. Made a nice push to the upside here. Winning 70 something pips. Made a nice run up. But let's keep an eye here for now. Let's see what this candle does. Ooh, nice. Spike up. That volume pushes up. I want to re-break these highs here. Ooh. Flip bearish here. Ooh, it's holding up. Gold is crazy. Let's see. Wow. Almost came down, and it's fighting here. It's holding up. This level's holding up right here. It's a small run. I close about, what, 85% of my position. I have a small runner at a 0.25 lot running, so. But yeah, if it runs up, it'll be a couple of $100. So why not? But yeah, definitely secured 25 pips on the first closure, partial closure, then closed it at 60 pips. That was the other one. So yeah, total of 25, then another 40, 35 pips. So yeah, 60, about 55, 60 pips in profit. There we go. Nice push. Wow, this level held up, man, gang. I thought I was gonna close out if it would have flipped bearish, but damn, it pumped up. Let's see. Let's see if we still get that volume. But it just kind of comes up to this area here and then just kind of gets rejected. So strong rejection here. The gold is failing to break above. But if we do break this previous high, we come up and take out these highs, then yeah, that's the kick we need to drive up. We can come and grab the wick up here, the daily highs. Watch this baby go. Oh, here we go, gang. Will we break the highs here? I was telling y'all, that's what we need. I mean, we are getting rejected here, as you can see. Look, we're kind of pushing back down. We haven't broke that level. We haven't broke the previous 1 hour highs just yet. And look at the 4 hour. What did I say about the 4 hour earlier? Even bigger confirmation. So previous 4 hour closes bullish, right? Remember we had our buy stops up here, but look at this candle bottom wick on the 4 hour. Now we reflip bullish. And yeah, we just took out the previous 1 hour highs. I think this thing is gonna run, guy. Gang, it might run. This thing might run, but more importantly, the 4 hour reflip bullish. If we take out these highs, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna mark this over here. If we take out these highs right there, that was initially our buy stop entry, but we got in all the way down here when we came down and reflipped. So we took a wick entry down there, gang. If we break this level, we're gone. We're gone. Yo, we're running 90 pips right now from our entry. I'm sorry, 80 pips. Keep miscalculating though. 24.4347 was our entry. But yeah, we're running 80 pips. Yo, if we break this high, yeah, we're gonna grab this wick up here. We'll keep an eye on this here. We did break the previous 1 hour highs, but this right here is the 4 hour high, which is the current daily highs. So if we after coming down, making a bottom wick, if we reflip and the 4 hour reflip bullish and continue to drive all the way back up. But we have to break the highs here. We have to. If we don't break those highs, we can easily reflip bearish and come back down. Yeah, this is straight crazy. Look at this. Dang, we're running up here. We're running up. We're running 80 pips. Now we're running 80 pips. Solid profits either way. But again, we have my runner going here. You guys are still holding this position, gang. Make sure your stops are break even. You could even trail it into profit a few pips if you like. Yeah, we haven't broke those previous highs. Wow. Came close though, but failed to break. Oh, here we go, gang. Oh, we broke the highs, gang. It's gone. We should be gone at this point. Where's this at? Yeah, woo, we running now. We running 100 pips. 100 pips profit here. Wow. Yeah, let me make an update here. Unreal. This is great. Yo, we flying, gang. We flying. Woo. I told you we took out those highs. It's gonna go. If you look at the daily, that was the current daily high that we just reflipped and broke here. So yeah, we'll hold it right here. Yeah, we holding, gang. We keep it under 1 hour, as a matter of fact. So we broke the previous 1 hour highs, also broke the previous 4 hour highs, and also the current daily highs. And now we're driving. Now we're driving, gang. Yeah, we're running 110 pips here, gang. Let's see if we can get to it. Not this level. Yeah, but I'm good, gang. I'm good. Gang, I closed at 111 pips. Ooh, right before that pull down. Gang, I'm out. I'm out, gang. Beautiful trade. Once again, we made a killing tonight. We made a killing tonight. The setup was perfect. I mean, we had our buy stops initially, but when this candle failed to break the highs, it made the bottom wick first. But on the flip, we got in right around this level here off the 15-minute, like I explained. We got in once this 15 closed bullish. When it made the bottom wick, once it took out the highs, that's where we got in. So we got in right here and caught this entire move all the way up here. Beautiful trade, gang. 111 pips total. Amazing. Gang, hey, if you like the trade, if you took the trade and made some money tonight, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Type a W in the chat if you're still on the stream. And fam, thanks for tuning in. But I'm gonna call it a night here. And again, this thing could keep running up, gang. It's probably gonna come up and grab this wick up here. But yeah, enough for us. We did great here. So, fam, Everybody enjoy their night. For my Forex platform members, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow. We have NFP news tomorrow, the unemployment rate, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, gang. So everyone, have a good night. God bless, and peace out. Appreciate y'all.